This video shows you how to set up dynamic pricing by day. Go to Account Settings, Manage Activities, and then Manage Activities again. Click the $ of the activity you want to apply a pricing rule to, and if you scroll to the right, click on the small hamburger menu, and then click Add a Price Rule. Enter the dynamic price that you want to apply, and then choose Days. This is perfect for leagues or anytime you would like to change pricing for a long period of time. In our example, let's add dynamic pricing rule to Fridays. In our example, we will choose Fridays from November 11th until January 18th. This is when your new price rule will apply. And if you want that rule to apply all day, you leave the checkbox clicked, or you can choose specific times of the day. This is the most common scenario where you choose the specific hours to apply dynamic pricing. If this will be ongoing, you unselect Date Range, change the status to Active and Submit. You're all set.